What's going on, guys? Trey May 10 again. Today I've got another mystery pack. This is my 1 month anniversary, and I think my camera might die, so we're going to go ahead and get right into it. I've got another one on the way, so I'm going to record this now, and then when the other ones get here, I'll record those and I'll upload it as one video, so there'll be 9 total. And for our first one, we got Prosperity, which is like a nice little koi pond. That's pretty cool. There are many roads to prosperity, but one must be taken. Inaction leads nowhere. Robert Zoellick. I'll let you see that. Nice little koi pond. And then Prosperity. I like that one. It's a pretty nice one. Alright. Number 2. And we got Something New. Life is about experiences. Go out and start something new. This is a duplicate. I got this one in my first video I had made. Upside down. Something New. Alright, and then the last one. We got Something Great. Great things are done when men and mountains meet. William Blake. And there we got a nice set of mountains. Alright. I don't have this one. Not bad, not bad. All 3 of these I'm pretty sure are in stock on the store. And then 1 duplicate. That's not terrible. We'll see, hopefully we get some white or black stars in our other mystery pack that's on the way. See you then. What's going on, guys? Got my other mystery pack in the mail today. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up for you guys. I got 2 of them, so there's 6 in here. Let's go ahead and see what we got. We got a white star. This one is Leave the Past Behind. And it says, what's past is prologue. That's a William Shakespeare quote. And on here we have, I really could not tell you what that is. It's some sort of goat or mammal like that. You can see there's like some sort of like deer or goat legs. That's a pretty interesting one. We're off to a good start. Next one. And we got Beneath the Sands. And it says Find Your Way on the back. This was one of the very first ones I had bought. Beneath the Sands. You got a pharaoh on there. And then on the inside it's a bunch of hieroglyphs. Alright. I'll be able to gift that one to a friend or something. The next one. Another white star. I don't think I've ever seen this one. It says Radiate. You can light up this room. We've got some nice red and blue like light streaks. And then on the inside radiate. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that one. I wonder if that's a new one. Alright, next one. And I got a black star. First black star, guys. Enchanted. Life's enchanted cup sparkles near the brim. Lord Byron quote. And it looks like on here we've got like a enchanted forest with a Pegasus. I almost called him a unicorn. Yeah, awesome. Very first black star. This has been a very cool mystery pack. Wow. I've never seen that one either. And then the next one. Another white star. Wow. Cosmos. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to you. Neil deGrasse Tyson. And we've got a nice kind of galaxy print going on. And then on the inside, Cosmos. There's the little white star. Wow. Okay, and now the last one. And we got Nightfall. I actually just bought this one. We owe it to ourselves and to the next generation to conserve the environment so we can bequeath our children a sustainable world that benefits all. And that's by Wangari Maathai. And that one's got like a jaguar or a cheetah in the jungle. It says Nightfall. Wow. So yeah, we got 3 white stars. And then 1 black star. That's super exciting. Let's go see. Yeah, you can see the little black star on there. Wow. And it's number 24. Alright, that concludes this unboxing. See you guys next time.